Recently, I watched a video of the Oni of Ife in an event, and then the veteran Nollywood actor Pet Edochie walked into the event center, saw the Oni of Ife, and gave the Oni of Ife a three Igbo traditional handshake. And online, it was trending. So many people were complaining, and they were saying that why will Pet Edochie greet the Oni while standing, and why won't he greet him with so much respect? Now, to my own understanding, the Oni of Ife is a king of a particular region, which is the Ife region. He is a king in Ife. He is the Oni of Ife. He is not the Oni of Nigeria. This is my own point. This is how I understand it. You can understand it the way you want, but this is my own point. My own point I'm trying to make is that now what you need to do is share this video so everybody can see, because there are so many arguments online. Pet Edochie come, he went and greet the Oni like this. It's disrespectful. It's the Oni, this one, that one, that one. Now what I know is that the Oni of Ife is a king of Ife, a particular region, and a king to the Yoruba race. You understand me? He is not the Oni of Nigeria. Pet Edochie is a high chief in the Igbo land, which means automatically as a high chief in the Igbo land, it's sometimes equal to a king in another place. Now, Oni of Ife is not in Ife. That is, he was out of his palace. So Pet Edochie can traditionally greet him with the Igbo sign of greeting. Because in the Igbo land, what I understand is if you are not a king or a chief, they will give you two. But so long that you are a king or a chief, they will give you three. It is an honor from the Igbo tradition. Now, Pet Edochie not bowing down to greet the Oni of Ife, it means that he met the Oni of Ife in person, which means he's still in place to greet him with that handshake. If, for example, Pet Edochie now go to Oni of Ife palace and do him like this, because that one is the palace, that one is the kingdom. But you cannot mix the personality and the kingdom together. I'm trying to head somewhere. I'm trying to make one sense. I don't know if people that are intellectual traditionally are yet to understand. What I'm saying is that Oni of Ife in an event, that is not his palace. Pet Edochie is not supposed to lie down and greet him. It's a matter of choice. If Pet Edochie has gone to the palace and give him hand like this, he will now say, why will Pet Edochie come to the palace of the Oni and give the Oni hand like this? This one they met in a neutral ground. And to my understanding, Pet Edochie has even accorded the respect to give him three. Two is for you that is ordinary. Three is for somebody that is a chief or a king. So he has given him the respect. Pet Edochie is a high chief as well. Yes. So if you don't understand tradition, stop arguing online and say, why would Pet Edochie stand and greet the Oni? Understand tradition very well before you come and be arguing. Even as I'm trying to explain this matter now to make everybody understand. Some people that have never gone to their village will be saying, Malam Shaibu don't have sense. Why does he know about tradition? I don't know. I don't have sense. I agree. But I'm trying to make you understand how tradition works. The Oni is in a neutral ground. It's in an event center. That is not his palace. It's not his palace. So Pet Edochie can greet him like that. It's a choice. You can lie down. You can greet him the way you want. Yes. I am the spice creator. This one is my... Traditionally, they need to even crown me as the spice creator. You can't drag that with me. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.